Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Honda Pilot can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Our exclusive Adventure Series hitch is engineered for unparalleled structural rigidity and strength. With OEM level precision and fitment, it is designed to exceed industry standards. Now let's take a look at how to complete the installation. You'll need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Begin with lowering the spare tire using the vehicle's jacking equipment. Install the driver's side frame bracket. Use your M14 hardware with a locking washer and a flat washer. Now repeat for the other side. Leave loose until all components and hardware are in position. Now mark the bumper fascia for a slight trim. Mark out the center of the bumper and mark out a 3.5-inch wide section off the center and then cut 1 inch deep. Use masking tape to create straight edges. Trim out your marked area with your cutting tool of choice. I prefer the air saw. Use a metal file to straighten any cuts or remove frayed plastic. The hitch can now be raised into position. I will be using the U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, I recommend you get a second set of hands. Align the castellations of the cross tube and the brackets. Install your 1/2-inch hardware with a flat washer for the bolt and a nylock nut for each bolt. Pass the hardware from the outside inward. Now repeat for the other side. We are now ready to slightly tighten the castellation bolts so we can squeeze the hitch brackets together before torquing everything down. I'm going to use an 18 and a 19 millimeter wrench. Ratcheting is preferred. You can use sockets as well, but one side will be 18 and one side will be 19. Once your castellation hardware is flush, come back to our hitch receiver to inspect for center. Because it's a 3-piece hitch and we cut a 3.5-inch wide section, is just a little bit wide, my hitch is a little off center. So let's use a rubber mallet and get it to center. We can now torque our frame hardware. I will link the torque specifications in the description below. We will use a 21 millimeter socket for our M14 hardware. A short extension will help you gain access. Next, torque the castellation hardware. I'm going to use an 18 millimeter socket for the torque wrench and a 19 millimeter open-ended wrench for the hex nut. Remember to lower your torque setting. You can return the vehicle's spare tire. And finally, you can install your Hitch Hush with the provided hardware. It is important to note that the conical washers for the Hitch Hush are not supposed to sit together like spoons, but rather be opposite and to create a space for spinning. Use a number 5 Allen bit to tighten the hardware. Our patented Hitch Hush is a hitch tube cover as well as a silencer. Open your cam lever to insert your accessory. And notice the noisy, normal towing experience. But not with the patented Hitch Hush. Depress the cam lever and quiet up that towing experience. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the Hitch Hush is 4 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 13.5 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.